Hey everybody! Justin Sehner here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase conversion rate and sales in your Shopify store by using some really creative discounts. We're going to jump right into it, and this is the right way to do it when it comes to offering discounts in terms of incentivizing people to buy more. And it doesn't matter what you're selling, print on demand, drop shipping, custom products, digital products. Every single store needs to increase conversion rate. And the best part about increasing your conversion rate is you don't need to spend any more money on ads. You don't need to get any more people to your site. It's all about getting the people that already come to your site to buy more, to check out, to actually convert. That's the goal of increasing your conversion rate. And a really popular strategy right now is to offer incentives and discounts to get people to go ahead and check out and to add more to their shopping cart and take out their credit card and become a customer with you. That's the whole idea here, and that's why I'm making this video. Now, there are some pain points that you might run into when you want to go ahead and implement this strategy. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use and that I recommend. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder or developer. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have years of experience offering discounts. You're going to be able to jump right in. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. And most importantly, the app must allow for tons of different types of discounts. Offers, tiered discounts, cart discounts, buy X, save Y. You want to have all of these different types of discounting options, and they're going to come all in one app, and that app is Discounty. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you just how easy this is to use in your store to boost those sales, to increase conversion rate by offering really all the different types of discounts you could ever hope to offer. You see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you this exact app, and then we're going to go over the shoulder into my store. You're looking at Discounty, the bulk discount and sales app over here inside the Shopify App Store. You see the link directly below this video. And when you search for discount in the Shopify App Store, Discounty is the first app that comes up. You see the almost perfect 4.9 out of 5-star review here, and you see the Built for Shopify badge. That means it is by far one of the best, if not the best apps out there in the entire App Store, and Shopify gives that badge only really to the top best apps out there. So again, you have that full trust knowing that this is an incredibly powerful app, and it's a great app for bulk price editing. You really have the ability to do two things in one, because you could also have the discounts, of course, right in here, kind of a 2-in-1 app. You're going to get a 50% discount on the premium plan. There's a 3-day free trial as well, and they have incredible support always available at all times. Widget customization in terms of making everything look good, and we'll go through this in the back end, but really all about kind of maximizing sales, maximizing average order value, making more money. That's the name of the game. That's why it has that Built for Shopify badge here, because it does an incredible job at what I was talking about. All the different types of discounts, automated discounts, bulk discounts, tiered discounts, quantity, volume, cart discounts. Incredible support available at all times. Ability to do all of the different widget customizations so it fits directly and very nicely right into your store. Very, very easy. You could even highlight your campaigns by price drop. You could have sale labels on them. You could offer quantity discounts. You'll be able to show all this directly in your storefront using the Discounty app. And something that a lot of stores want, volume and quantity discounts. Super simple with this app. Literally just a couple clicks inside of the Discounty app and you'll have this set up. You'll be able to see all of your stats and analytics at one glance. You'll have a history of orders, revenue, top sales campaigns, all the reports that you could ever want in terms of understanding, is this app working for you? And you'll be able to see all of your campaigns running in a single dashboard. You see the status, active, scheduled, expired. You see all the products, the revenue, the orders, the stats, right? The information that allows you to run your business and make those data-driven decisions to know exactly how to take most advantage of Discounty. It's incredibly powerful. You'll even be able to run campaigns automatically. You could schedule those start and end dates. Just really, like I said, the best app out there when it comes to discounting. That's why it has that Shopify badge out there. And again, Built for Shopify. It doesn't come easy for these app developers to get that. So Discounty, really one of the best that's out there. All you need to do, you press the install button over here. I've already installed the app, so I'm over here, and you could see in the plan section over here, you're going to get 50% off these plans. I'm using the premium plan, and you see down here, they have that great support available at all times. So when you come into campaigns over here, you're going to see this blank screen, create campaign. And campaigns are tied into widgets. Widgets are basically what the entire setup is going to look like. Look and feel, colors, text. You see things like total text color, savings text color, border color. You see everything kind of going right over here. And you can customize that if you want to match your branding. But we also see over here, by the way, the quantity and volume discount styling as well. We have that set up over here again. Full control of our colors, our text, having everything inside. We also have the ability to deactivate if we want. Same thing over here, but we have these active right now. Coming over here into campaigns, very, very easy. You're going to be able to see all your campaigns listed over here, including ones that are scheduled or expired that basically have ended their schedule. You'll come over here, click Create Campaign. Very easy, very visual. We just go through this one-page setup here. It's going to give us all the options, and on the right-hand side, we're going to see what it's going to look like on our Shopify store. So first things first, internal use only. We're going to give a campaign name. I'm just going to call this test so we could have this set up over here. And then you're going to pick your discount type. And the real cool thing is if you click over or hover over any of these eye icons, it's going to tell you exactly what's going on here, right? Prices of the product will be changed in the cart according to the minimum purchase criteria, and discounted prices will be applied in the cart. Okay, this is for a quantity and volume discount sale. That's something like, buy 2, save 10%. So we could have something like that. You'll see that the options change over here. Or we can go to this one. This is the default one. Original product prices on the product page are going to be crossed out. So anytime you see the price going to be crossed out, it's going to show, just your typical discount. And on the right-hand side, you see what it's going to look like over here in terms of your product and your compare price over here with that crossed out line for the original price and then the new sale price here. This is what it would look like if we had a quantity and volume discount. It would be shown like it says over here in the cart. So coming over here, we're going to go and have a different discount or different pricing. So we could set a percentage discount. We could set a fixed amount discount. Or a cool thing that we could do here is actually just change the price. So we could have something like members only pricing or something like that where it's an actual price. Or we could just come over here and just do 50% off over here. We could set specific price endings. For example, something that is like 99 cents. We can bring it to a full dollar. You have full control over that. Always adding new features as well. So you see this one's coming soon in terms of having an option for products that are already discounted to base the discount off the original price. We could have this to keep the current price and set a higher compare at price. So this is basically the idea of instead of having a discount off of the price, we're just going to raise the compare at price so there's still that same discount level. Let's say we're trying to give a 50% discount or something like that. So we have this option in here. When we get down to the product section, of course, this is where we can clarify which products are going to be selected. So we can do all the products in our store. We could have collection-based ones. You'd see that I'll be able to search through my different collections. Same thing for tags, vendors, product types, and here's just products and variants, which would be all of our different products and variants over here selected. So we could have them specific to one product or one variant. For example, I could do the T-shirt of the month club over here, and I'll add this. You'll see that it gets added into the product list. If I were to remove this, let's just say I could do collections, for example. I'll see all the different collections that I have there. Or we could just go all store, which is going to get all products. Then we can come in here and we could actually go ahead and individually exclude a product. Maybe I want to take that monthly club and exclude it from any type of discounts here. So we'll have this set up over here. You could automatically update eligible products with every change to store. If you want to check that off, not needed at all. It's an option that we have. Estimated products count. This is basically just talking about how many variants we have. We can calculate this if we want. Just going to show how many products are affected. Over here, we're going to have combinations. So the campaign can be combined with other discounts. So we could have our quantity and volume discounts. Those could still be active. We could have general discounts that you might have. Or what's most common is you're not going to have it be able to be combined with any other discounts, right? It's just going to be this specific discount. But if you want to do a discount and also have quantity and volume discounts, you could have this set right here. Last thing that you need to do is have a start date. We could start it right now. We could also schedule in terms of in the future, put any date here. We could also have an end date if we want. We're just going to let this one run as long as we want. We'll be able to see it in our campaign setup, and we'll be able to hide that if we want. So we have all of these different things kind of set up over here. These are all of our options in terms of discount type, our products that are going to be included and excluded over here. You see 14 different products, 739 variants are going to be affected by this. And we have the ability to, again, combine different options and set a schedule date. So really the power is right inside here of being able to get very specific with what we want to be included here. So I'm going to come over here and remove this exclusion. And I'm going to come over and set this to be a specific discount just for this product. So we have our 50% off product here. This is our discount type. This is our name. All we need to do now is press save. So this campaign has now been created. And we're going to come over here and now look at our campaigns. And this is going to talk about, it says, congratulations, you have activated your first campaign. What we need to do is actually go ahead and embed this into our store. So to do that, we're going to go into our online store over here and we're going to customize our theme. And we're going to basically just turn on the embed. I'll show you how to do that. We go to customize in terms of theme, and then you're going to have app embeds up here, and it says discounty. See over here, it says do not enable. All right, we're not going to do that. We're going to enable this one, and we're going to press save. Now that we come back here, we can click I read and understand, and we could enable app embed. This is just going to bring you to the same place where I've already enabled it. You see that it is now enabled up here, and now we're good to go. So this is how you create it. Again, you'll see them all over here. Here are active ones. You see the status right inside here. Once people actually start interacting with this, you'll see the revenue and the orders and all this great setup right inside here. Now I'm on my store. I opened a new incognito window so you could see it just like any customer would. As soon as I get to this product, you see automatically that 50% off discount is shown right over here, right on the product page. We see this crossed out price. We see the new price, the sale button. This is added automatically through the app. Incredibly powerful. And this is just one of many different types of discounts that you're going to be able to set up inside of Discounty. So that was Discounty. Again, you see the Built for Shopify badge, the 4.9 out of 5-star reviews. On over 150 reviews here, this is by far the best discount app inside of the Shopify App Store. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Get this in your store. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.